Stocks in the deep. We have LIMN, AUID, KTTA, GIBO, and VSA. LIMN down 33.81%. Intraday low in this pre-market session of in the pre-market session of today, the 21st of November 2025 is $0.57. Let's see what we have. Okay, it has probably more than doubled its average volume. Has history of volatility. Okay, let's see. It's not liquid at all. You can see the spread, but it's not bad at all. Not that bad. Not that bad. Okay, not completely. It's improving, but still not that liquid. But I guess depending on how the metrics are, the approximations are saying that it's okay. You can see here. This is where the current price is. Approximation is 0.72, and then this is 0.71. So it might suffice. Okay, let's see what we have. If there's any news for LIMN. Okay, before that, underlying trend is severely bearish. Lower prices are expected to keep printing all the way towards the 5th of January. But before then, in the interim, it's expected to be volatile. Yeah, expected to be volatile at least towards early December. Yeah, okay. Projections are currently saying beginning from down projections 0.1144, 0.3456, 0.72. Okay, let's see what the news is for. Okay, no news. There might be some news somewhere. Okay, we can have a look here on Think or Swim. There might be some news here. LIMN. No news. AUID down 22.88%. Okay, just gradually getting to its average volume. Highly volatile stock. Yeah, let's see. Okay, intraday low 1.21 printed today. We didn't check whether there's any news while we're still here. Let's see. 6 minutes ago. Okay. AUID announces $3.675 million registered direct offering of 2.69 million shares and pre-funded warrants at $1.35 per share, or $1.71 if purchased by directors. Okay, that's why it's plunged. Okay. AUID. Okay, so lower prices are expected to keep printing up till Tuesday, the 25th of November, and then there might be some consolidation up till the 19th of December with a distributive bias. But and then maybe you might attempt to bounce from the 20th of December, 22nd of December. But the 40-day moving average is expected to constrain any attempt to expand, and it's not really the extrapolations are not indicating that a bounce is imminent, but you never know what could possibly happen. Projections are currently saying beginning with downward projections 0.6182, 0.9613, 1.52. Yeah, let's see. Okay. KTTA down 22.43%. Yesterday, intraday low was 0.2649. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, has almost 5x its average volume so far in this session. KTTA, we didn't check whether there's any news there. KTTA, okay, so yeah, the downtrend is expected to keep printing, going all the way towards the 6th of January. Okay, The current trajectory it has right now is expected to remain in place up till the 1st of December, when there might be a moderation, and then after that the downtrend may resume. The 40-day moving average is serving as a distant resistance in case it attempts to bounce or expand. Okay, pivotal projection that was in place as of Monday the 17th was or is 0.6865. If it closes above that, it might test 0.7317, and that the probability of it retesting 0.7317, 0.7314 is higher than 50%. But you can rely on that. It may not do so. Yeah, it may not do so. Who knows? But it could, something could come up. So company announced positive phase one data, including partial response. Let's see. This was yesterday. The data expand yesterday. Okay, company announced positive phase one data, including partial response, demonstrating monotherapy clinical activity and favorable safety profile for PAS-004 in advanced cancer study. Let's see. Did it? Was there any impact yesterday? Let's see. Yeah, it seems there were. There was. There was. Let's see. We can have a look at its 4-hour chart. Yeah, there was some impact, but it was quickly, dampened. It was snuffed out without giving it time to mature. GIBO down 4.57%. Okay, so just contracting, slightly moderating the expansion it has had. Yesterday printed an intraday high of $2.27. Let's see. Oh, okay. This has to be okay. Hardly anything has gone here. Okay, hardly anything. Not not active at all. But we've seen here 4,500. Okay, they've been traded. Let's see. Match 4 times. It matches what we have there. Okay, average volume is 5,000. This is okay. These ones haven't gone through yet. They have not gone through. The market is not liquid at all. Not liquid at all. Not liquid at all. Okay. GIBO. Okay, so the stock has been it's been it's had a pivot. Began on the 13th. That was last week. Yeah. So it's been printing high prices non-stop until today. Yeah, it's been printing high prices till okay. Well, you could say five straight session of gains, and then today's it's giving up on those gains. Projections are currently saying 0.4068 downward projection, 0.7632 equally downward projection, and then 1.34 equally a downward projection. Previous projections were as high as let's see, upper projections. I mean, 4.12, 4.79, 5.20. Let's see now whether this we'll find out if it's a low float stock. Yeah, okay. So yeah, you can see that expansion I'm talking about from Friday last week. Just been printing higher prices. It was just today that it contracted. It's contracting just by 4.79%. Lower prices are the contraction is expected to keep playing out up till the 25th. Yeah, and then consolidate with the distributive bias, and then maybe attempt to resume the contraction by Tuesday, the 2nd of December. Projections are currently saying on this 4-hour chart, 1.81. It has a pivotal support of 1.81. Yes, equally as that 1.81 is a pivotal projection. If it closes below that, then we're looking at even the algo seems to be suggesting that to some extent. If it suggesting that, yeah, it's going to consolidate around there, maybe suggesting that it may serve as a good support, but we can see here a failure in holding that support, and then we are looking at the prospects of lower prices. But we'll see. These are just extrapolations. No guarantee that will be the case. We haven't seen any news. We'll have a look and see if there's any news, and also find out what the float is like. No news. GIBO float. Shares outstanding 2.65, so the float will be tiny. Public float, okay, 370.93 million shares. However, market watch states something else. FinVs, okay. FinVs is saying 2.41 million shares. Yeah, 2.41. VSA down 19.53%. Highly volatile. High beta. Look at that, 25. So if the market is down, 5%, it will amplify it by 5 times, by 25 times. Yeah, high beta. Yeah, volatility very, very high, very high. Let's see what we have for VSA. Okay, underlying trend neutral to bearish. Okay, lower prices are expected to keep printing. Going all the way towards the 3rd of January. No, okay, there might be an attempt to bounce, but I really can't see it. Projections are currently saying nothing. Okay, well, to the upside, we have $0.41. Every other thing is severely bearish. We have 2.44, 3.97, 5.01, 5.64. Those are projections that those are especially 2.44. It was trading at such a level at about a couple of weeks ago. Yeah. Let's see whether there's any news. No news. No fresh news. Let's see what the 4-hour chart is saying. No, lower prices still. Projections are saying here 1.5, 1.59, 1.48, 1.7, and indeed also 1.11. Yeah. Pivotal projection is 1.58. Yeah. Okay, have a look and see what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.